Hi, this is Julene from the Honors Tutorial. Our topic for today is about arithmetic means of a sequence for Mathematics 10. And let's have our examples. Insert three arithmetic means between 12 and 40. And this is what you're going to do. Let's write the solution here. Let us identify, this is step 1. Identify what is a sub 1, and that is equal to 12, the first term, and n. N is equal to 3 plus the two terms that we have here, so that's 5. And then how about the difference? We don't know it yet, right? So therefore, let's have this solution. Step 2. Let's use the formula that we had earlier. So that is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 d. Okay. So for a sub n, that is the last term that we have, and that is 40. So we will be writing 40 here. Here equals a sub 1. A sub 1 is 12. So we have here 12 plus n. So that is 5. So we have here 5 minus 1. For d, we don't know it yet. So we have here d. Let's continue. So we have here 40 equals 12 plus, let's subtract first 5 minus 1, so that's 4 times d. And then after that, we have here now 40 equals 12 plus 4 times d, that's 4d. And then we have to transpose. Kindly transpose 12 to the left side of the equation. So we have here 40 minus 12. So positive 12 became negative 12 because we transpose it. Remember, any number or variable that you're going to transpose will change its sign. So if it is positive, then it will become negative. Equals 4d. Let's subtract first 40 and 12. That is equal to 28. So we have here 28 equals 4d. Then our goal here is to have d only at the right side of the equation. So therefore, we have to divide both sides by 4. So divide both sides by 4. And then cancel. So we have here 28 divided by 4, that's 7, equals d. Or we can write it as d equals 7. So meaning the difference is 7. So therefore, for us to get the three arithmetic means between 12 and 40, we have to do this. So we have here 12 plus 7. So we have here 1, 2, 3, and then we have here 40. So that is plus 7, plus 7, plus 7. So 12 plus 7, that's 19. So that's the answer here. So we have here 19. Plus 7, that's 26. So we have here 26. Plus 7, that's 33. So plus 7, that's 40. So the answer is 19, 26, and 33 for this kind of given. Next, let's have another example. Let us insert 5 arithmetic means between 8 and 52. Same process, let's write our solution here. And then let's have step 1. Step 1 is to identify a sub 1. That is always the first term. So we have here 8. And then kindly identify n. Since 5 arithmetic means, so that is 5 plus 1, 2. So that's 7. And then for the difference, we don't know it yet. So let's write a question mark here. Next, for step 2, let's use the formula. And that is a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 d. A sub n is the last term, so that's 52 here, equals a sub 1, that's 8, plus n, that's 7, minus 1. D is unknown, so write D only. So we have here 52 equals 8 plus 7 minus 1, that's 6, times D. Let's continue solving. So we have here 52 equals 8 plus 6 times D, that is 6D. And then we have to transpose 8 to the left side of the equation. So that would be 52 minus 8. Any number that you transpose at any side of the equation will change its sign. So if it is positive, then it will become negative. Equals 6D. So let's subtract. 52 minus 8, that is 44, equals 6D. Our goal here is to have D only. So therefore, let's divide both sides by 6. So cancel. So we have here D is equal to 44 over 6. So that is the difference. 44 over 6. So therefore, let's solve. So we have here 8. And then how many arithmetic means? 5. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 52. 2, 4, 5, 52. Let's change 44 over 6 into decimal. And then let's multiply it by 8. Let's add it by 8. So we have here 44 over 6. That would be 7.33 plus 8. That is 15.33. But since we are aiming for a fraction here because the difference is a fraction, then let's have this written in a fraction. So let's add. Let's convert first 44 over 6 into a mixed number. So let's divide 44 divided by 6, that's 7. So let's write 7 here. And 2 over 6. So we have here 7 and 2 over 6 plus 8. That is 15 and 2 over 6. No need to worry having decimal numbers or fraction numbers here. It is because we only have similar fractions, so it will not be difficult for us to solve for this kind of equation. So we have here 15 and 2 over 6 plus 7 and 2 over 6. Let me show it to you how it is done. 15 and 2 over 6 plus 7 and 2 over 6. Add the whole number, so that is 22 here. And then add the numerator, so that is 4 over 6. And that's it. Next, let's add 7 and 2 over 6 again here. So that is um 22 and 4 over 6 plus 7 and 2 over 6. Add 22 plus 7, that's 29. 4 plus 2, that's 6 over 6. 6 over 6 is 1. So that is 29 plus 1. So that is 30. So the answer here is 30. See, it becomes a whole number. Next, 30 plus 7 and 2 over 6. So that's 30 plus 7 and 2 over 6. Just add the whole numbers, 30 and 7. That's 37 and 2 over 6. And that's the answer. Write it here. So 37 and 2 over 6. And then add again. Never ending addition. But you can still make it. 37 and 2 over 6 plus 7 and 2 over 6. So 37 plus 7, that's 44. And then 2 plus 2, that's 4 over 6. So that's the answer. So that's 44 and 4 over 6. I will show you that we will reach 52. So that is 44 and 4 over 6 plus 7 and 2 over 6. 44 plus 7, that's 51. 4 plus 2, that's 6 over 6 equals 51. 6 divided by 6, 1 plus 1. So that's 52. See, our answer is correct. So I hope that you have learned something today about this topic. If you have questions or clarifications, you can message us via FB page, The Honors Tutorial. Thank you and God bless.